For most people, the journey ends when the plane lands. But for crew, some of the most important moments happen after. In different cities, different time zones, different worlds.
Hello, baby.
Hey baby, how are you?
I'm good. How are you doing?
I'm easy, how are you?
I'm okay. Just arrived at my hotel some minutes ago.
Okay. How was the flight? Was it good?
Oh, my flight was amazing. The guests were really good. So something interesting happened today. That's good.
Today we had honeymooners on board. It really made me think about you. I really miss you, my love.
I miss you too.
I miss you so much.
So, have you had a
How
chance?
about today?
My day was okay.
Behind every uniform is someone missing home too. And sometimes all it takes is one familiar voice. Today, we see you. Not just the role you carry, but everything you carry with it.